Hello traders, Alla Peters on December 12th. Here's Caterpillar, and here's Fibonacci Retracement on Caterpillar. This is proprietary Fibonacci tool I developed in 2008 and been working with since 2008. The tool has extremely high accuracy and show you that this is key Fibonacci support on Caterpillar. Caterpillar beat consensus expectation lost. This is key support. Buyers are weak. This support is out. Caterpillar win free fall until 90. This is very powerful place to monitor for long. Caterpillar buyers are weak. This key Fibonacci resistance is the end of bullish correction only. No bullish rally here. So extreme caution on Caterpillar. No matter how spectacular the earnings are, this resistance is a problem. This is bullish weakness. Just like we're witnessing on S&P right now, the entire last 2 days. No surprise, not the place to buy. And this is Boeing this year. Good earnings don't mean a thing. Fibonacci means everything. Boeing sold off as expected. Boeing in bullish correction. Let's take a look what to expect on Boeing. Boeing currently in bullish correction, charts identical with Caterpillar. Buyers are weak. This is key support on Boeing. 310. This support is out. Boeing collapsing to drastically lower levels. This is incredibly important place on Boeing to monitor for bullish reversal. Again, just like Caterpillar, buyers are weak. Boeing in bullish correction only. Spectacular earnings don't mean a thing. Fibonacci resistance, Fibonacci retracements mean everything. As you're witnessing again, as expected, S&P reminding you in live markets. If you know where key Fibonacci resistance is, if you understand bullish weakness, you're not buying into, no matter how bullish the news is. Ultimate reminder, just like Caterpillar, just like Boeing, price action remains the same. Risk management is the only difference. Rules are met. Take a trade. 2 days in a row we're monitoring bullish weakness. 2 days in a row we're witnessing exact same formula on Caterpillar, and Boeing remains. So, decide what you want to trade. Apply Fibonacci levels and ask yourself a question. Do you want to hold position 5 minutes, 5 hours, 5 days, 5 weeks, 5 months, or 5 years? Choice is yours. VIX doing exact same thing as Caterpillar and as Boeing. VIX at the end of the minor trend. And again, to remind you, institutional support on S&P remains a key. Where buyers been coming from this entire 2018. So, the response on S&P from this support and this resistance is crucial. This is a key. Just like on Caterpillar, just like on Boeing, ultimate reminder. Fibonacci overrides any news. Fibonacci overrides any fundamentals. Fibonacci overrides all the indicators because it is the only natural predictive tool in the markets. Nothing else is. Nothing else comes close. Price action remains the same. Risk management is the only difference. As oil remains frozen in key correction. On long-term institutional chart, reminding you it's all the same. Just like Caterpillar, just like Boeing. What you decide to trade, absolutely up to you, as you witness the accuracy of the method in live markets every day. So if you would like to join us in any of the courses, please review the information on the website. If you like to take it slow and master foundations only, we have only 2 spaces left at the lowest price in 8 years. Once these 2 spaces are left, price will be increased to regular price. Mastery group course, you master all masteries of the course, from basics to advanced, from day trading to long-term trends. I'm with students every day, 5 days a week. It is not requirement to attend all classes. All classes recorded and posted in member area. You can review at your convenience. If you would like to join all group courses in Foundations and Mastery and work with me one-on-one, I look forward to working with you. Private mentoring 6 months can be extended up to a year. You have access to all class recordings, all group classes, live guided trading room. Up to a year. Any questions, do not hesitate to contact me, and most important, see what students accomplish on the website under testimonials section. Please review the information and feel free to call or email me, even on weekends, even on evenings, 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders. Look forward to hearing from you.